Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the split expression in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your Microsoft account credentials to access the Power Automate dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for and click on the Create option. This will open up various flow creation options that allow you to build different types of automated workflows. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you need to trigger an automation manually or through a specific event, making it ideal for our split expression example. A window will pop up asking you to configure your flow. For now, simply click Skip to bypass the initial setup and move directly to the flow builder. This lets you start with a blank canvas where you can customize everything from scratch. Now you'll see the flow canvas. Click on Add a Trigger to begin building your automation. The trigger is what kicks off your entire workflow, so choosing the right one is essential for your automation to function correctly. For this example, we're going to use a SharePoint trigger. In the search bar that appears, type when item is created and then click on it under the SharePoint connector. This trigger will activate your flow every time a new item is added to a SharePoint list, which is perfect for processing data like names or text fields. Next, you'll need to configure the trigger by entering your site address and list name. These details tell Power Automate exactly which SharePoint site and list to monitor for new items. Make sure you enter the correct information so your flow can access the right data. After setting up your trigger, click the plus icon below it to add a new action. In the search field, type Compose and then click on it when it appears. The Compose action is incredibly useful because it allows you to manipulate and transform data using expressions before passing it to other actions in your flow. Now comes the important part. In the Inputs field of the Compose action, click on the FX icon. This opens the expression editor where you can write custom formulas to process your data in powerful ways. In the Expression field, type split open parentheses trigger outputs open parentheses close parentheses question mark open bracket apostrophe body slash full name apostrophe close bracket comma space apostrophe close parentheses. This expression takes the full name field from your SharePoint item and splits it into separate parts wherever there's a space. You can change full name to any other field you want to split depending on your specific needs and the data you're working with. Once you've entered your expression, click Add. This applies the split expression to your Compose action, and now your flow is set up to separate text based on the delimiter you specified. And that's it. You've successfully set up a split expression in Power Automate, allowing you to break down text fields into individual components for further processing or analysis. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.